Hi guys, I'm Juan here, up with the sun, bringing lifestyle, fan, and realness. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Before we get started, please go ahead and hit that like button. It really help out this channel. And subscribe if you haven't already. We are continuing our celebration of love all February long with Narlie this time around. Now, Narlie is, of course, Nick and Charlie. If you are not familiar with Heartstopper by now, I don't know where you've been. Yes, it is niche, but it also is readily available on Netflix. They already had 2 seasons, and they just finished wrapping up season 3. So in this video, I'm going to show you some items I have added to my Heartstopper collection, starting with some pins. I've got this very cute pin from Pink Milk Designs. I will link all the information down below. But what I love about this is that this has the Nick and Charlie from the series featured, and they have their hair. I wonder when that hairstyle, that little chia pet look on Charlie, is going to go out of fashion, because all the kids seem to be having that hair these days. But anyway, I digress. I love that he's wearing essentially Nick's sweater because it is oversized. And I just love the beautiful mint background against Nick's red hair. And it has the little frillies of the leaves there, and it's just so iconic. And it was just a really fun, cute pin to have. And I love that the blue of the sweater matches the blue of the tie. And it's just really cute, and it's just nice to have. But such a cute pin. I'm so happy to have it. So I lost footage, but this pin is so gorgeous. It's so big, I had to redo the whole setup. But this is another pin featuring them as part of the Netflix series. And it's essentially them doing their photo booth photos. And I'll put a picture here so you can see what it's referencing. And it's just so cute. The artist did an amazing job of framing them, and it really does look like a portrait. And I'm just so happy to have this piece. This pin is actually 2.5 inches big, so it's a nice size pin. And it was created by EnchantedExtrasbyBri as part of her Enchanted Portraits pin series. I'll go ahead and link her information down below as well. The next item I'd like to share is this amazing collection of the paperbacks featuring Nick and Charlie for Heartstoppers 1 through 4. And it has the cover of book 1. Now, these editions don't have anything special to them. They're just re-releases of the original paperbacks when they came out. But of course, it's all in a collection, so I'm really happy with that. Just look at how cute they are. Oh my gosh, love that. I do like how this is easily accessible. Like, see how it has this open groove here, so you can pull them out much more successfully. Even if you did this, they come out very nicely. Sometimes they don't come out so easily. I'm just vibing with the colors here. Yes, I could have bought all these individually, but as a collector, you like to have different forms of media to heighten your collections, and this box set really is meant for that. And the bottom's featuring Nellie. She's so cute, Nellie. Oh, I love that. And just when you think that you had everything under the sun, well, at the end of 2023, Alice Oseman had released the latest installment. I am so excited. This is volume 5. And what I love about volume 5, don't worry, I'm not going to do any really spoilers, is that the spine here has now Charlie facing forward and he's smiling. All the other spines are looking to the side or looking away, or you can see behind their faces. But this is really where you get to see a turning point in the story. And it's illustrated here by actually getting to see the face of the character. And this cover is also a progression of their relationship, as you can see as it goes along. Now this one, they're embracing. It's a little more, you know, adult. By the way, he's sitting in his lap, like, hello. But I love the color choices here. And they have stars around them this time versus the leaves. And then it says, Nick and Charlie are in love, but what happens next? I believe this volume is actually dealing with the next chapter in the relationship, meaning that now Nick is 1 year older than Charlie, so he will be going off to college soon. And now he has to just make a choice whether he's going to go somewhere far away or somewhere close by. What happens to all high school couples, right? You know, will they stay together, do long distance, you know, make it work out, or will they stay close to each other so that way they don't have to worry about that? But it's it's an expensive decision either way. Although I'm not familiar with how they do things in Britain, but either way, it's going to be interesting what ends up happening with the both of them. But come on, we already know that they're together forever. So it's not really that big of a cliffhanger, you know? Last but not least, I have, of course, the hardcover edition. This is awesome. I didn't think they're going to release both at the same time, but they definitely did. Let me see here. It opens up. Look at them. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. And the hardcover does feature what you see for the paperback, so they didn't really do anything differently. It does have this beautiful shocking orange. Heartstopper Volume 5. Just look at them. They are so cute. I will not be going page by page by this. Again, I don't want to spoil it for anyone, but I do recommend go ahead and add this to your collection if you are collecting Heartstopper or reading the series. These are not hard to read. It's very easy access. You could probably finish it within a day easily because just how very straightforward. See, some of the panels even have words. I'm just so excited for season 3 to come out. I know it's going to be amazing. Those boys are growing so fast. Right now, Joe Locke, who plays Charlie, is on Broadway. He's in Sweeney Todd right now, and he made his Broadway debut, I believe, last week. And I've been seeing tons and tons of pictures all over X, aka Twitter, of this beautiful boy getting his flowers and just expanding his horizons, and just so excited to see his star climb, and well deserved because he is such a sweetheart and so young. My gosh. And then Kit Connor, of course, has been attending fashion shows on his downtime, and I'm sure working on other projects, but they don't really post a lot to their social media, so it's kind of hard to see what they've been getting up to. As far as Joe Locke's concerned, I already did just see Sweeney Todd, but I would love to go ahead and see him actually perform in person. So that's on my list. I'm not sure if I'll be able to make that work out. You know, my schedule is pretty tight. There's just so many things to do. I can't be going broke chasing after so many celebrities. It's just so many here in New York City. Also, Alice did say this is not going to be the last volume. Volume 6 is on its way, and I'm so excited to see the complete series come together, and I'll be on the lookout to add that to my collection ASAP Rocky. So that was it. Thank you so much for joining me. I know it wasn't a terribly long video, but I really just wanted to go ahead and give Nick and Charlie some love during this season of love. Comment down below, have you read Heartstopper? Have you seen the Netflix series? Is there a book series that you like to collect? Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And with that, be safe, tell somebody you love them because tomorrow's never promised, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!